Hi everyone, this is Kiran Preet and I am again here with yet another live. I'm sure that today's live is going to interest the parent community and they are really going to benefit from it. Today we are going to talk about a very crucial topic. We are going to talk about life skills, imparting life skills at an early age and starting early, how important it is. Powerful knowledge exchange. I have someone who is an influencer and is doing a great job in the field of psychology. I don't think so she needs an introduction, but yet I will try one. She is Dr. Chinu Agarwal. She is a psychologist and a psychotherapist and has her institute with the name of Feeling Minds. As a psychologist, these days whenever I come across parents, I see that they are trying really hard to make their children happy. They are trying to provide all the facilities, whether it is extracurricular activities or gadgets which they need. But still, when you meet these children, they are doing good in their studies, but still they are perplexed. They have behavioral issues. They have relationship issues. So I thought that it is very important to start life skills, imparting life skills at an early age. And so I thought who better to give us knowledge about this beautiful concept of life skills and than you. So ma'am, if I start with what is your take on the life skill and imparting it at an early age? What is your take?
Preet, let me tell you a small incident to start with this topic of life skills. So I had a client who used to come to me for her daughter's counseling, and it was absolutely a different thing that she used to come to me, but since she used to get some few minutes, 4 minutes to talk to me, when she told me that ma'am, we are 3 sisters and 2 brothers. And my father, he insisted since childhood that my brothers learn cooking. They learn putting a button on their shirt. They learn to mop the floor. They learn to dry their own clothes. And similarly, they taught all 3 of our sisters how to change the bulb, how to put the cylinder, how to do some minor plumbing work. And I was amazed. Which parents think of doing this? And so impressed with this idea that the parents really had a vision of life skills. लाइफ स्किल्स मतलब ऐसी स्किल्स जिनसे हमारा जीवन आसान, जो हमारे जीवन में काम आए. लाइफ स्किल्स के आजकल एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया है. देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट, सम बुक्स प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर लाइफ स्किल्स. लाइफ स्किल्स cannot be taught through books.
Yes, ma'am.
Skills are always a psychomotor ability where you have to use the mind and the muscle. And skills can only be inculcated through training and practice. Generally, in our culture, we think that girls should be taught cooking. But now think. I remember there was a time when we got stuck in a traffic jam a few years ago. My son was in 4th standard and he and his grandfather were alone at home. And I got really worried as to इनके खाने का क्या होगा. They'll, घर में भूखे बैठे रहेंगे. But fortunately, my son, even at that age, could make a sandwich for himself, could boil milk and pour it into a glass and give it to his grandfather.
Wonderful.
That is a life skill.
Yes.
And then, after a few years, my cousin, he came to stay with us. He was doing his post-graduation in computer applications. And he saw my husband, making puris one day. So he was astonished. He said, "Riya ji, aap cooking karte ho?" So he told him कि बेटा तू भी सीख ले।
I
किसी
know.
दिन बीवी घर पे नहीं होगी तो भूखा तो नहीं रहना पड़ेगा तुझे, क्या होटल में रहना
Absolutely.
पड़ेगा? That is the
Absolutely.
concept of life. And
That's
now,
what I also feel, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. I also feel that it's not, that you are a boy or a girl and you are learning how to cook. It's not gender specific. It is actually, if you are left at a place, you will not die hungry. You can manage doing something for yourself. So that's very important to learn cook daily course. It's very important. Yeah. Please.
so life skills can be actually categorized into a few. So one can be the hard skills that we are talking about. Actually making a roti, actually in preparing a sandwich, being able to switch on the gas and pour milk, hot milk. So
Yes.
these are the things that need to be taught to children right from a very early age so that they learn to become self-dependent. And now we have a very popular word given by our Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar. Atmanirbhar banane ke liye we give them life skills. So what kind of life skills are? So I was working as Dean Training and Development with Sharda University, and I was with them since many years, about a decade with them. And one of the jobs that we had to do was to ensure that our students get placements. So the companies which used to come to hire them, they used to ask for certain skills. They used to say that just knowledge is not enough. अगर knowledge enough होता तो हम colleges के toppers को सीधा appointment letters भेज देते।
Absolutely.
पर ऐसा तो नहीं होता, वो तो group discussion कराते हैं, interviews लेते हैं, कई rounds लेते हैं interviews के। What are they looking for? They're looking for certain skills, and one of the skills that we need to now become consciously aware of are people skills. Because as we all know, we are living in an age where our children are mostly interacting with devices. Man to machine interaction उनको करना आ रहा है. It's about man to man interaction.
That's why the relationship problems, that's why the behavioral issues are coming up, because the interaction between human beings is restricted. So
Yes, and so when we see these children coming out into the real world, they face lots of issues. They're unable to express themselves. They're unable to present themselves to the crowd. They're unable to assert themselves. They're unable to say no when it is needed. To say that.
Yes.
They do not know how to, evaluate the impact of how they are behaving on others. They don't know how to adjust in relationships. They don't know how to accept each other with all our flaws and weaknesses. Or if then they get into situations at their workplace, they get into situations in their relationships where they are at loss how to come out of it. And that's why young children get into mental health issues and psychological disorders.
True.
And we can now see that, India is one of the most depressed countries in the world.
And it was not before, ma'am. It's a recent thing. It is something which has come up recently.
Because ये जो सोशल स्किल्स है पहले हम लोगों को बचपन में हमारी जनरेशन को अलग से सिखाने नहीं पड़ते थे. There used to be so many children in our household. आपस में कोई बड़ा होता था, कोई छोटा होता था, सबको एक दूसरे के साथ खेलना, झगड़े कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गए तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को मैनेज करना, निगोशिएट करना, सब कुछ अपने आप आ जाता था. तो कहाँ हम स्कूल में या कॉलेज में या किसी वर्कशॉप में जाके कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट सीखते थे या लीडरशिप सीखते थे या टीम मैनेजमेंट सीखते थे. अपने आप ही ग्रोथ के साथ साथ वी यूज्ड टू लर्न दिस स्किल्स. बट नाउ वेयर इज द प्लेग्राउंड फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन?
I know.
Where is
And ma'am, we used to play, what I remember from my childhood, that we used to play a lot outside. We were three sisters, but yet we were, we used to go out to play, and we had a lot of people around our house. So before even Corona, I feel that there was not much. You won't see many children playing outside on roads. You won't see much of this today. So definitely a lot is affected. The sharing and a lot of things which you mentioned all have been affected majorly. Yeah.
So yeah. So अब just talking के लिए talking हो ही नहीं रही ना. पहले तो you would sit hours. I remember I had we were in a joint family. तो मेरी बड़ी बुआओं की शादी हो गई, पर छोटी बुआओं के साथ हम खेलते थे. So when they were in their adolescence, we were children, but they used to talk about their issues of their age. तो हम लोगों को उन्हीं से इतने सारे इंसाइट मिल जाती थी. I used to remember आंगन में एक हमारा जहाँ पर हम लोग खेलते थे घर में, वहाँ पर एक सीढ़ी सी बनी हुई थी, वहां पर बैठ के घंटों बातें करते थे. अब ये बिना बात की बात कहाँ होती है बताओ.
और बाकी जो टाइम है वो गैजेट्स ले जाते हैं. लॉट ऑफ टाइम, इवन द पेरेंट्स, इवन इन द न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, पेरेंट्स आर ऑन देयर गैजेट्स. आई वोंट से मैम दैट इट्स नॉट, you yourself as a parent have to become, I am a parent of 2, you yourself have to become very conscious that I have been watching my gadget from quite long time. You have to self-awareness, you have to self-correct yourself. Even I know the impacts, but still you have to self-correct yourself.
We cannot leave the phones aside. We will have to use our phones. They have a great utility in our life, but you also have to become conscious at what cost are we, उसकी हम क्या cost pay कर रहे हैं unknowingly. So, reading skills के बारे में एक सर्वे अभी आया था, जहां पर ये पता चला कि 4th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे के लेवल की बुक्स भी नहीं पढ़ पा रहे. They are unable to read. तो रीडिंग स्किल्स कहाँ हमने सोचा था कभी रीडिंग स्किल्स भी अलग से एक लाइफ स्किल होगी. वो तो ऑटोमेटिकली सब स्कूल में गए तो सबको रीडिंग आ ही जानी है. But now we have to become conscious about reading skills as well. Why? Because we are not giving enough opportunities for children to read. And so, as you said that, as parents, we have to become conscious about our own behavior. So, what are we doing to help our children learn? We have to do only one thing. And I say this as a mantra to all the parents watching this program. Create opportunities for children to inculcate these things, these skills in them. आपको बहुत ज्यादा और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. So if you want to help them to read fluently, sit and read with them. Create that opportunity.
Yes.
That's enough. If you want them to learn to cook something, invite them into the kitchen to help you. That's enough. Creating that opportunity in itself is going to help you. So I remember one of my students in the parenting expert workshop that I conduct, she asked me, ma'am, I have 2 sons and they fight a lot. बहुत ज्यादा लड़ते हैं. सिबलिंग राइवलरी के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? तो सिबलिंग राइवलरी का उसके बाद हमने एक मॉड्यूल भी उसमें इंक्लूड किया. But I gave her one small tip. I said, do you play any board games with your children? She said, मैम टाइम नहीं मिलता. मैंने कहा एक कैरम बोर्ड ले आओ और आप आपके हस्बैंड और दोनों बेटे हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार जितना भी टाइम मिले आधा घंटा उनके साथ कैरम खेलो. पर उसमें एक बात ध्यान रखना, उनको अपोजिंग टीम्स में नहीं बिठाना, उनको सेम टीम में बिठाना और आप और आपके हस्बैंड एक टीम में बैठना. अपने आप उनके अंदर बॉन्डिंग और कैमरेडरी क्रिएट होने लगेगी. So giving them that opportunity to experience and inculcate these things, the thing that we have to become conscious about.
I think we have to, as parents, we have to generate those ideas. You know, we have to think on those lines, and definitely the ideas will come up. Because you know, we as millennials have grown up in an age where we had a lot of opportunities. So from those, we can definitely take the ideas and we can, you know, create something for our children. As you said that, you know, bring a board game and start playing carom or ludo. Nowadays, you can play all those games on your mobile, and you are sitting in the same room, and though two people are playing ludo on mobile. So I feel that, you know, the one-to-one connection, the texture of the things, everything together makes a lot of difference. So we have to think on those lines, definitely. Ma'am, yeah, you have mentioned a lot of ideas and a lot of things and the importance, how crucial it is. But I want to, if you can just elaborate on that how crucial it is to start early. You know, when our kids are in teenage and we are facing a lot of problems, then we start that, you know, start looking for ideas. So how early, how crucial it is, and how early we can start imparting life skills. So if you can just elaborate on that.
See, the learning capacity of children is really many more times than adults. ये तो हम सबको पता है. It is a research-based fact. So, one of my nieces, she is only 7 years old, and she reads the complete novel in a day. People are amazed कि इतनी छोटी बच्ची कैसे पढ़ सकती है. और she is the daughter of my youngest sister, and the only thing that I can you know, justify her inculcating this skill at this age is my sister herself has been a voracious reader, and she has all the books around, and, you know, talking about those books and ideas, and, you know, the world of stories and the world of this thing. And when she gets gifts like Amazon Kindle or packs of books. So the world itself was offering her an opportunity to explore something like reading. And now you tell me, 7 साल की बच्ची अभी से रीडिंग कर रही है, एक नॉवेल फेमस 5 की एक दिन में पढ़ लेती है पूरी, तो आगे चल के क्या इसको कभी हमें रीडिंग सिखाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी? या इसको बोलने की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि बेटा पढ़ लो?
That will become a habit itself, you know. She will have a habit for a lifetime.
Yeah, that is the importance of starting early. Because when you wait for them to grow up, sometimes they may not get interested in certain things, and then you will have a hard time convincing them, motivating them. But when you start early, अपने आप automatically they will start learning without any great effort on your part.
Definitely, because I think your sister gave the right environment. That's what you were talking about, the opportunities, you know, giving the right environment. And I think that they imbibe it, they take it. If you are giving the environment of, you know, books, and, you know, everybody is reading a novel or a book, or you are writing something. So children definitely imbibe that.
One
that's a wonderful
I would like to make Kiranpreet over here. That you may create an environment, but the child may not take it. It is the child's personality and interest also which will determine what the child will take up. So the same child, and my sister is a trained dancer. She has got training in 6 different forms of dancing. But the daughter, she did not take up dancing. Dancing was dancing
she got interested in reading.
So one mistake that parents make is they feel कि हम जो देंगे वो बच्चा को लेना ही चाहिए या ले ही लेगा. जरूरी नहीं है. You have to give them multiple opportunities and help them explore and see what is it that they take up. instead of forcing or pressurizing or imposing on them.
That is a wonderful tip, ma'am, because I understand that when as parents you think that I have invested in my daughter's dance class for a year now, and she has not been doing and she has not been enjoying the dance or maybe the tennis, because the child may not be having fun in
Exactly.
that. So it is like you have to keep trying and giving her multiple opportunities. That's a beautiful statement that you gave. Thank you very much. So, ma'am, to sum up, before to summing up, I will tell the audience, if they have some questions, they can definitely come up, and ma'am will definitely try to answer. Ma'am, before wrapping up, you have given us ample of tips today, but still, if you want to give a parenting tip to parents who are really having a hard time with their children, behavioral issues or relationship, shyness. So what they can do, what life skill they can start working on?
One thing that you should start working on from an early age is developing social skills in your children. Helping children to interact, talk, just by giving an opportunity. And why I'm emphasizing on giving an opportunity is because as parents we think कि बोल के हम करवा लेंगे या प्रवचन दे के करवा लेंगे या हम एग्जाम के करवा लेंगे, बेटा हम तो ऐसा करते थे वैसा करते थे, तुम क्यों नहीं करते हो, या वो भैया तो करते हैं, वो इससे नहीं सीखते। और आप जब फ्रस्ट्रेट होते हो तो फिर आप उल्टा उन्हीं पे चिड़चिड़ करते हो, यू बिकम इरिटेटेड कि भाई ये क्यों नहीं सीख रहा। सोशल स्किल्स सेंटर बहुत ही जरूरी स्किल्स है, अर्ली एज से हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। कैसे? So there are two things. You want your child to speak, what is it that you will do?
You will talk to them.
Before that, you will listen to them.
Yeah.
Undivided attention. Get encouraged to speak. चाहे कितनी भी irrelevant बात आपसे कर रहा हो, उस मोमेंट में आपको जो भी काम आप कर रहे हो उसको साइड में रखना पड़ेगा. Keep your phone and give the child undivided attention. Take complete interest in what the child is saying. Only then he will get encouraged to talk to you. और हम लोग जनरली बोल देते हैं कि बेटा ठीक है, बाद में, अभी रुक जाओ, मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ, अभी थोड़ी देर में सुनूंगी तुम्हारी बात. थोड़ी देर बाद उसका मन चला गया. नाउ ही इज नॉट मोटिवेटेड टू टॉक टू यू. उसके बाद आप ड्राई क्वेश्चंस कुछ पूछोगे भी, अच्छा बताओ क्या हुआ था स्कूल में, कुछ नहीं, कुछ खास नहीं, पढ़ाई हुई थी. Lose interest in talking.
Yeah, when they want to share something, listening to them at that moment is very beautiful insight, ma'am. It's a very valuable insight.
And then second is talking to them. Now, what is it that you talk to them about? That content is also very, very important to ponder upon. Are you talking to them about fancy things? ऐसा करना चाहिए, वैसा करना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए? Or are you talking to them genuinely about yourself, your own vulnerability, your own life, your own experiences? So, we wait कि हमारा बच्चा बड़ा होगा तब हम उसके साथ sharing start करेंगे. No, start early. There are many things that the children understand. They do not underestimate.
I feel like talking to you for another hour, ma'am. This is going so beautiful, but I know that we have to keep it short and crisp so that the message stays intact. And thank you very much, ma'am. And it was so wonderful to have you today with me. And I hope all the people who have been listening, they had a good time and they got really some valuable tips as a parent. I see a lot of people saying that they agree with me on this, but I can't see many questions. And surely, if you have some questions, you can DM to ma'am or to me later, and we'll surely try to answer it. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone who joined us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
ma'am. Thank you very
for
much.
having me. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay.